Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to start a group call in Line app. So to start a group call in Line app, you first have to create a group if you don't have one. So once you're done creating your group, you just want to open the Line app, click on the login button and enter in the credential and log into your account. As logged in, you want to go to the chat section and tap on create icon. This is the way you could go ahead and create your group chat. So now you want to click onto the speech bubble with the plus sign in the top right corner and tap groups from the list. Now then you want to go ahead and select the friends you want to add, then tap on the next button, then enter a name for the group and tap on create. As you're done creating your group chat, now you can go ahead and start the group call. So open the desired group chat in a Line app, tap onto the tab bar icon or the plus icon at the top of the chat screen to open the menu bar. There you will be able to see two different options, voice call and video call. So now what you want to do is just simply click on the video call icon on the camera preview screen. For video call, you can configure options like effects, background, weather. Your mic and camera are on before joining. So that's how you should be able to group call, or that's how you'll be able to video call group call on Line app. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.